Hello, and thank you for joining us for this version of 123 Sync for accounting integration for ApparelMagic to QuickBooks. In the previous versions, we've already gone through and licensed the plugin. We've notified the ApparelMagic application that we're going to use the 123 Sync plugin. We have refreshed our lists from QuickBooks, and we've set up our default general ledger accounts. The next thing that we're going to want to do is go back into ApparelMagic and set up our chart of accounts there to map to the correct general ledger accounts so that we can bypass using products. To do that, from 123 Sync, we can go up to Window and select ApparelMagic. Then we're going to go to Accounting at the top, Chart of Accounts, and you'll see your list of chart of accounts here for everything that's used in ApparelMagic. Now, all of these general ledger accounts may or may not be used in QuickBooks. So typically you're going to want to look for your accounts payable. So we can either do searches or look through the list here. So we see our accounts payable. We're going to go here and we're going to edit. And once we're in the edit screen, there's a QBGL, QuickBooks General Ledger account, and a drop-down list. So we're going to look for the appropriate accounts payable account in QuickBooks. This is our QuickBooks information that's showing here, and we're going to map that for this particular account. Once we're done, we can go back to the list and continue on. We can look for, we've done our accounts payable. Now we can look for most of the items here. For instance, retail sales. So most of these revenue accounts will be items that we're going to want to use for our products when we're pushing products and line items from invoices to QuickBooks. So we're going to want to go through here and set up each one of these items and make sure we're mapping to the appropriate account. And we're going to look for, we're just going to call this one, it's usually an income. It does tell you the type of account after the name here. And some of these, this is a test account, so we'll just say interest income for this particular case. You're going to want to have an income account for each one of your ApparelMagic items. Once those are all done, we're ready to go. That's the end of the configuration for 123 Sync, and then we'll start posting to QuickBooks.